Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in, now go straight to YouTube Studio and open content so you can act. Once there, find the exact video you want to change and click its row or thumbnail to open the details view. Make sure you have owner or editor access, otherwise you can't edit subtitles. Once the video details load, switch to the Subtitles tab, that's where caption files live. This gets you to the precise control panel you need. Don't wander into settings yet. You're in the Subtitles tab. Now pick the language track shown, English or whatever the video uses. You'll see multiple track types, uploaded files, community contributions, or the auto-generated machine captions. Once you spot the track you want removed, click its three-dot menu or open the track details to reveal remove or delete options. If it's auto-generated, choose Delete Caption Track and confirm. This removes the visible subtitles from playback. Make sure you target the correct track before confirming deletion. Confirm the deletion when prompted. You'll see a brief processing step. Once done, play the video on desktop and mobile to verify captions no longer appear. If subtitles still show, refresh YouTube Studio and clear your browser cache, then check playback again. Sometimes the auto-generated track needs a short time to disappear. If you can't delete, verify your channel permissions. Only owners or editors can remove subtitle tracks. That one trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.